I am starting the
We
recording.
can do that.
To
Okay.
understand the concept of herd immunity, we should first understand what immunity is,
Yeah, of course.
right? And to
Yeah.
understand immunity, again, we have to go and understand the concept of immune individuals and non-immune individuals. Two types of
Yeah.
individuals are there. One are immune and one are not immune.
Non-immune. They
So
call. Mm.
one are immune individuals, and the another one is non-immune.
Yeah.
So now we will start with these terms one by one. So what is
Mm.
important is to know this thing. Let us start with the base. What is
Yeah.
immunity? Like what is immunity? Few terms that we will going to use throughout. Now I'm going to list here. Yes. Immunity is something, yes, Varsha, you can also share. This is an interactive session,
That's
no?
right.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
interactive
So,
session.
yeah, right. So our body's ability to fight against some foreign organism
Yes, so this is
like
resist.
virus or bacteria. Yeah, resistance towards some
Very
foreign
good.
entity inside our body.
Right. So this is resistance towards some harmful invasions that are
Yeah,
out.
right.
Yeah. So this is one of the thing that is under immunity. The another one is we have to maintain our balanced state. The
Yeah.
balanced state is another term which is always considered equivalent with the immunity, that we have to build our immunity to be in our balanced state. And
Oh, that's
yes, your point was correct, that we have to protect ourselves from the outside material, like adequate
yeah, the
tolerance.
foreigner.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
tolerance from.
yeah, so that is also one of the points. So these are the things which are associated with immunity.
Immune.
Adequate
That's right.
tolerance. So now adequate tolerance is okay. So this is something which is in general the immunity is all about. Now from this
Yeah.
terms there comes another term. Now in this scenario we are using the term herd immunity.
Oh, yeah.
So now
Herd
we'll be
immunity.
moving towards this. First of all, again we have to understand the concept of immune and non-immune. See, in a population we have some individuals who are by default they
Immune
are
to.
immune to the system, they are immune to the environment, they are immune to many diseases by default due to their own,
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
yeah, because of their
Mm.
own, yeah, tolerance, their own immunity is strong, so
They
they
are
are
more.
immune.
They are. They are more tolerant to things
Yeah, to
than
things.
some others who are
Exactly.
non-immune.
So
Mm.
those who are non-immune, they are all in this category.
Okay.
Now, yes, in between them, there is one more category, Varsha, that you just said.
Okay.
Ki there are few who are, yeah,
Yeah.
few people are very strong, they are immune, and few are non-immune. Yeah, they are weak, maybe small kids, maybe old age person. But here,
Yeah.
there is
Okay.
one more term which is susceptible.
Oh.
ऐसे तो they are immune, ऐसे तो they are having good immunity system, but they are
Okay.
susceptible.
Susceptible for
Susceptible.
infections. Okay.
Yeah, they're susceptible to the changes, right? Is it right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So they are in between these two
In
extremes.
between these two, they are neither,
They
they are,
may or may not be affected
yes.
by.
So what
Okay.
is important, Varsha, is to understand what about these susceptible individuals can lead to in a population. So, so when we are talking about them, so let us have some brief introduction about these three kind of individuals. So
Yeah.
let us mark with different colors. Uh, I will
Yeah.
have green zone for them. So let
Okay.
us mark them green, or we will use a stamp. Yes. So they are our favorites. Yes.
Yeah.
They are, yeah. Uh, Immune individuals are our favorite, and they cannot lead to any any um,
Yeah. They cannot like.
yeah, they cannot lead to any spread of the disease to the community also,
Okay.
right?
So I have a doubt. Can't they be can't they act as a carrier for this disease?
Exactly, that is the question. Now, that is the question for herd immunity. They can act as a carrier. They can, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
they,
Varsha. Very, very
yeah, because they are
interesting,
just,
very interesting, and very important question now to
yeah,
move. Now we are moving from the base to the top, like this cycle. We are going
yeah,
to
right,
move like this,
right, right.
right? So
That's
now we
right.
have understood immunity, we have understood susceptibility, we have understood non-immunity. But now we have to gather this concept to understand herd immunity. As you
Herd
rightly
immunity.
said, these immune individuals can act as a carrier. So how
Yeah.
to protect ourselves or our kids or our parents from such individual in some specific
Mm.
manner that we are going to study. We are going to just interact in the following session. So
Okay,
for
okay,
this,
sure.
Varsha, I have also given some examples for this thing. Like,
Okay.
have you heard of the vaccine called? I'm just giving this example to let you understand the concept very easily. Have you understand
Okay.
with this MMR? Have you ever heard of this MMR
No, no.
vaccine? मोही को आपने दिलाया होगा
Oh,
वर्षा.
yeah, yeah, yeah. For
Yeah,
the
this is
measles, I think.
measles. Very good, measles. This is measles,
Mm. Yeah,
mumps,
malaria. No, I don't know. Mumps,
yeah,
okay.
mumps,
Mm.
and rubella.
Oh, yeah, rubella.
Yeah, rubella. So MMR stands for measles, mumps, and rubella. We are given this vaccine for protection. Now,
Yeah.
my point is, Varsha, a simple example is this. We are giving the vaccination. This is the example of vaccination, MMR. So this is with the help
Okay.
of vaccination, I'm explaining you the things. When the vaccines are available, how the things are proceeding. Then we will come
Okay.
to the discussion when vaccination is not available, what to be done. Like the present
Oh my God.
scenario, right? So
Yeah.
when vaccination is available, we are, for example, we are taking the example of MMR, that is the vaccine against measles, mumps, and rubella, which is given to an infant, and throughout we are giving the booster doses throughout 10 years, up to
Yeah.
10 years. So
Hmm.
with vaccination, we can prevent our population against some very dangerous disease. So
Yeah.
vaccination is one of the very powerful tool, and this acts as very strong purpose of solving the spread of a disease. So this is okay. Abhi tak everything is
Yeah.
in green mode, everything is understood. Now comes which is against the known
Green.
concepts. Yes,
Yeah.
against green. Now here comes the concepts. See, अभी हम एक चीज very easily we can understand कि see if this is one individual, I'm giving you with the help of this. Yeah,
Okay.
this is few. I'll be drawing few individuals here. Green, here green. Green means they are safe.
Okay.
They are
Okay.
safe.
Hmm.
They are safe individuals, right?
Yeah, right.
They are safe zones. Now again, for an example, here comes MMR positive case. This is MMR
Okay.
positive. Yes, this
Hmm.
banda,
Hmm.
this banda is actually contracting the disease of MMR.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because this person is having the disease, so this person will try to spread the disease
Yeah.
to this person, measles, mumps, rubella to this. But
Yeah. Yeah.
the things are, the best part is they all green are vaccinated.
Yeah. So they won't be
So
affected.
yeah, so they won't be affected. So these are vaccinated. So with the known vaccine, MMR, these people who are vaccinated are not affected by this red fellow because they are
Yes.
vaccinated. So this is again herd immunity because we are developing herd immunity. This is the very easiest way to understand herd immunity.
Yeah. Yeah.
See,
Like
it's a
most of the
protection.
population should be immune.
Yes. So herd
The
immunity,
majority.
yes, the majority. So a herd immunity is
Mm.
basically the protection from infectious disease that spreads to a large population. And the
Okay.
large population should get immune. Dekho, in this case, with the MMR, when we are concentrating only on MMR, this large population is vaccinated and they achieve herd immunity because of the vaccination. But
Yeah.
now, Varsha, here comes the case of COVID. So
Yeah.
we will
We
take
don't have any
red color now.
full red.
Yeah, you understood the concept of MMR. Now
Yeah.
let us,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
now let us have it, and we will cancel it with the new disease, that is, what is the new one that is under consideration?
COVID.
Yeah, so let us have this COVID-19. COVID-19. So COVID-19 is now under consideration. Let us make it red. Yeah. Let us make
Yeah.
it red, and we'll write here COVID-19. Now COVID-19, the case of herd immunity, I will going to explain. This is what is to be
Okay.
learned and understood in as a whole, because this is very important concept and is
Okay.
misunderstood right now. The people are not understanding the concept of the very important concept of social distancing.
Yeah.
We are ignoring this fact, but now I will tell you how this is important for this scenario. In this scenario, see, now again, this red individual is COVID positive, right?
Yeah.
So as this individual is COVID positive, what he will do? He will spread all his disease to this fellow, because they are not following social distancing. So now this fellow is
Yeah.
again with COVID positive. This is COVID positive. This is COVID positive. Even though this is COVID positive, the people who are far and
Hmm.
maintaining social distancing, they will not be
Spread it.
affected. Yeah, they will not be affected by this fellow, because
Yeah.
they are maintaining the social distancing thing, and they are
Yeah.
maintaining their distance of 2 meter that is instructed. So even though right now we are having this thing and this concept, this fellow will not going to affect the people who are maintaining social distancing. So this is positive man, but they are not in contact with the positive person, and so they are safe. Now
Yeah.
here comes the concept of herd immunity. The people are now very sure that now we cannot attain any kind of immune system, cannot help, only herd immunity now can help us.
Okay.
Varsha, what people are
Mm-hmm.
saying now, people are saying that only herd
Okay.
immunity can protect us. How?
So you
Because
can just spread it out everywhere.
yes, actually what people want, and what the now the government is opening everything, because they want to
Yeah.
attain herd immunity now.
But that's not recommended.
Yeah, that is not recommended, because that will cost many deaths,
Yeah.
and
Because this
many
is
people.
different. COVID-19.
Yes, COVID-19 is different, and that's why government is opening everything to get herd immunity from the population. What the government is
So
expecting, and what we are like, we have to understand is what happens in the case of COVID. See, if this is my safe individual scenario,
mm,
they are safe. So
okay.
they are actually the people who are, yes, they are safe people, right? Now what I will do?
Yeah.
There comes few susceptible individuals. यहाँ पे हैं. So the purpose,
Yeah.
how it works, how the herd immunity works, these people will going to actually protect these person. This These are susceptible individual, but they are herd
Yeah.
immunity.
Yeah.
They are the person who have attained their immunity through herd immunity concept.
Yeah.
Through the concept of herd
So they are not
immunity,
supposed to spread.
yeah, so they will break the chain.
But
They will break the chain.
yeah.
So what is now needed is, Varsha, the breaking of the chain. So they are actually going to make a very safe circle for all the
Yeah.
susceptible individual, without letting any weak link. They are giving a
Yeah.
huge strong link to these susceptible individuals. Now who are these susceptible? They can be small child, they can be grown up
Yeah.
parents, they can be some with some history of
Other
medications.
ailments. Yeah.
Yes, some history of heart diseases. So they are the
Yeah.
susceptible one. So this is something that now the population has to understand. See, the thing is they have opened, but we don't want to fell ill. We don't want to get this thing. So we
Yes,
can achieve herd immunity through social distancing.
that's the thing.
Yes, so
See,
that's the
Sweden
point.
is, yeah, Sweden is already trying this, right? They have
Yes,
no rules, and the death rate is going up and up. It's not developing at all. I just read that they haven't even reached 7% of immunity. Okay,
correct.
so it's not working. It's the best example. Sweden is the best example
Yeah,
that
yeah,
this
Varsha.
thing doesn't work.
That, yeah.
Only
So
social distancing works.
only social distance. So the only important, the most important thing now is the social distancing.
Yeah,
So large number of the
people have
population.
to.
So a large number of the immune population protects the non-immune population. See, large number of immune
Yeah,
population we want to achieve now. Through what? Through,
yeah, that's right.
we want to achieve this large number through herd immunity. This is what we want to
Yeah,
achieve, Varsha, right now.
that's right.
So that is our area of understanding, and this is what I want to convey. कि herd immunity तो आएगी ही.
Hmm.
Now we have no
Yeah,
other
in
way.
this case.
But in this case, we are not having the vaccine like MMR. हमारे पास अभी vaccination नहीं है. तो
नहीं है.
herd immunity के लिए we can't fall ill, we can't sacrifice. So the thing
Yeah, we can't.
is, so the thing is, we should maintain social distancing, and by maintaining social distancing, gradually the people get immune to the virus, which is in the
Of
surrounding.
course. Yeah, that's
Gradually,
right.
we'll move out, we'll follow all the norms, we'll use mask, we'll do everything according to the norms, and that will give us the
Yeah,
immunity that is required to produce this herd immunity.
yeah.
So
Even
once we'll get,
according to
yes,
me, yeah,
yeah,
according to me as well, we have to change this lifestyle at least until you are at a point that vaccination has been given to everyone, you know, and it's working. Yeah,
exactly.
vaccination is something that has to work. So
Yeah,
when we
testing,
are up
testing.
to that point, then yeah, then we can like we have to change lifestyle and people have to understand
Yeah,
social
people have to
distancing is
understand
one
the.
thing.
This is very important right now. Actually, it is very important. Varsha, people are not understanding this concept